Hi, this is Scott Evans, the #1 individual VA lender in the state of California, #2 in the United States. And here's why that's important. When you do more VA loans than any other individual in the state of California, you simply have more experience. And I know what can cost a veteran thousands of dollars. I've actually closed over 2,000 VA loans since 2006. And I say this not to impress you, but just to impress upon you. When you do something so many times, you get very, very good at it. And I'm hosting and teaching a free VA workshop. And this workshop is going to be a little different than most workshops. And you're probably asking yourself why. Well, because I'm going to be providing free food, free beer, and free information. In fact, well, let me tell you and share with you some of the information that I'm going to be talking about at this seminar. So, did you know that you can use your VA loan multiple times? In fact, you could have multiple VA loans at one time. You could use a VA loan to purchase a multi-unit property and then create an additional income stream for you and your family. So, remember, free food, free beer, free information. If you know anyone that's interested and wants to know more about their VA home loan, interested in purchasing a home, just wants free information, this is the seminar for them to come and go to. So take action, click on the link below, RSVP, and I hope to see you there.